Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Image Processing. In this video, we will show how to convert the concept of histogram equalization into MATLAB code. As you can see on the screen, the top row shows the original image, together with its histogram and cumulative histogram. The bottom row shows the enhanced image, together with its histogram and cumulative histogram. Histogram equalization redistributes pixel intensities from the original image to new intensity levels in the enhanced image. To understand this process, let us start from 1 pixel intensity in the original image, as shown in Step 1. Next, we find its corresponding cumulative count in the cumulative histogram of the original image, as shown in Step 2. Then, using the same cumulative count, we move to the cumulative histogram of the enhanced image, as shown in Step 3. From there, we determine the new intensity level in the enhanced image, as shown in Step 4. In our MATLAB implementation, this transformation will be stored in a lookup table. The middle plot in this slide is the cumulative histogram. It tells us the cumulative number of pixels up to each intensity level. In our MATLAB implementation, we will normalize this cumulative histogram by dividing it by the total number of pixels. That normalized cumulative histogram is called the CDF, or cumulative distribution function. Using the CDF, we can build a lookup table that maps each original intensity level to a new intensity level. In the rest of this video, we will show how to implement this idea in MATLAB. Now let us translate the concept of histogram equalization into an implementation procedure in MATLAB. In our implementation, the work can be divided into 2 parts. In Part 1, we build the lookup table. To do that, we first get the histogram counts of the input image. Next, we compute the cumulative counts. Then, we normalize the cumulative counts to obtain the CDF, or cumulative distribution function. Finally, we convert the CDF into a lookup table. After the lookup table is built, we move to Part 2. In this part, we apply the lookup table to the image. That means we update each pixel intensity according to the lookup table, and then generate the equalized image. So, the main idea is simple. First, build the transformation rule. Then, apply that transformation rule to every pixel in the image. Now let us begin with Part 1, which is to build the lookup table. First, we get the histogram counts of the input image. Next, we compute the cumulative histogram counts by using cumsum function. Then, we normalize the cumulative counts by dividing them by the total number of pixels. The result is the CDF. Finally, we convert the CDF into a lookup table. In other words, this lookup table tells us how each original gray level should be converted to a new gray level. So, after Part 1, the transformation rule is ready. Now we move to Part 2, which is to apply the lookup table. First, we create an output image with the same size as the input image. Then, we use nested loops to process the image pixel by pixel. For each pixel, we read its original intensity value. Here, we add 1 because the original gray levels range from 0 to 255, while MATLAB indices start from 1. So we need to shift the gray level range from 0 to 255 to the index range from 1 to 256. Before doing that, we first convert old value to double. This is because the original pixel value is usually stored as unsigned 8-bit integer, uint8, whose range is only from 0 to 255. Without converting it to double first, a pixel value of 255 cannot be correctly changed to 256 for lookup table indexing. So, double open parenthesis, old value close parenthesis, +1 allows us to correctly use the original pixel value as an index into the lookup table. Then, we use that index to find the new intensity value from the lookup table. Finally, we store the new value in the corresponding position of the output image. In this way, we apply the same transformation to every pixel in the image and generate the equalized image. Now let us see how to apply the lookup table with matrix operation. In the previous slide, we explained why we use double open parenthesis, img close parenthesis +1. Here the important point is that this operation creates an index matrix. Next, table open parenthesis idx close parenthesis looks up a new gray level at each location based on the index matrix. So each location in the image gets a new intensity value, and the result is a new image with the same size as the original image. In other words, this is a matrix operation version of the same lookup table idea. Instead of processing the image pixel by pixel with nested loops, we apply the same lookup table to all pixels at once. We can also combine the two statements into one line, as shown at the bottom of the slide. So, although this version is shorter and more efficient, the underlying idea is still the same. We use the lookup table to replace each original gray level with a new gray level. Here is the complete MATLAB code for histogram equalization. First, we get the histogram counts of the input image. Next, we compute the CDF by taking the cumulative histogram counts and normalizing them by the total number of pixels. Then, we convert the CDF into a lookup table. Finally, we apply the lookup table to the whole image by using matrix operation. So, this code translates the concept of histogram equalization into a concise and efficient MATLAB implementation.